I'm at Stop and Shop and I find this, my favorite store, Cheesecake Factory at home. The famous bread, usually when you go to Cheesecake Factory, it's free. Since it's pandemic, so they decide to have this on sale in a local supermarket. I'm gonna get one because this tastes very good when you heat it up. I'm gonna buy one of this bread. So I spot a Cheesecake Factory ice cream. So I'm gonna pick the strawberry and try it. Also getting the cookie and cream and then the this one and see how it goes. So today's my Cheesecake Factory day. Beef session. This is the black Angus beef. I saw this manager special beef chuck roast black Angus beef. So it's cost about $10.73 for 2.56 pounds. So I'm gonna get this for making a Angus beef burger tonight. Wow, if you look at it, the meat is so bright red. It's very fresh. Trying to cut into a small little chunk, like a dice, so that we can ground it. Very convenient doing that. So you can catch and choose what kind of meat. Grounded beef that using KitchenAid is very useful. I've been using this a lot, the tools, to make a lot of homemade burger. So this is the burger press that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna use this to make burger. But before that, I'm gonna put a clear plastic wrap. And then put the grounded beef here. I'm gonna press it for patty. It's very simple. Tonight's dinner, we're gonna have burger that we made earlier. This is the Angus beef patty, and we have some big giant burger bun with some Colby Jack cheese. And remember, we're gonna have some Cheesecake Factory at home, like the diner roll and the ice cream. Oops, someone paying fireworks. So we're just waiting the grill to get until 350, and we'll get started. So now the grill is ready, preheating. I'm gonna start putting the burger. This patty, I never put any marinade on. I'm gonna use this here, Montreal stick. One more. And we'll just let it cook. All right, let's take a look. It smells so good. Woohoo! So let me try flip it. Looks delicious, and we'll close it again. So it's looking good, the burger, and now I'm gonna start toasting the buns here. I fold each corner so that when the cheese start melting, it won't drip to the tray. So I would suggest be careful when you fold it the corner, the cheese, because it's gonna be very hot. You can do it in advance here before you put it. So let me try fold it in advance and see how it goes. Yeah, it works. Alrighty. So this is the Cheesecake Factory at home. The diner roll usually is free when you go dine in there because pandemic they have a sale at the supermarket. Basically, it's very simple. You just heat it up for 5 minutes for 350 Fahrenheit, and this is how it looks like. And we're gonna do 4 for tonight's dinner. So this is like dine out Cheesecake Factory stay at home. I make burger, fries, and their Cheesecake Factory dining roll, like size of my hand. So I'm gonna cut it. Oh, it's very soft. I always love their dining roll there. It's very awesome. And I'm gonna put butter that I have here, just normal butter, nothing special. So I'm not gonna introduce my butter here. So the burger, I have put Angus Beef burger, ketchup, cheese. Here, I'm gonna close it. Some fries here, and this is the Cheesecake Factory dining roll. Usually free when you go there and eat it. So now I'm gonna try them all. Let me try the dining roll. It's warm. Tastes exactly the same as Cheesecake Factory. Fully wheat, little bit sweet with butter. The warm temperature, the bread is so awesome good. It's very soft too. That's why I like to go to Cheesecake Factory. I like to eat this. I always refill another round when it's come to the free bread because it tastes so good. When I press it, it's like very soft. It's all wheat. Even though, I mean, I'm not like a super wheat fan, but because of the bread they make it, a little bit sugar, it tastes super duper good. And just try it. I feel like I'm moving the whole Cheesecake Factory at home, you know? And now I'm gonna have a big bite of burger and see if it's gonna be taste good. Oh my god. It's very good. It's probably because it's not as juicy, probably because I don't have much fat on it. If you look closely, it's very thick cut. It's very soft. Yeah, not too juicy, but it's fine. It's not like a rock. I put all those herbs. It tastes so good. You eat with fries. Feel like you're eating in a restaurant. I'm at Cheesecake Factory. Where's my cheesecake? After this, the meal, we're gonna eat ice cream from Cheesecake Factory. Okay, so after all the meal, now it's time to eat some cheesecake, right? If you're at the Cheesecake Factory, how can you miss the cheesecake piece? So this is what we got at Stop and Shop, the Cheesecake Factory at home. Original. Cookie and cream. Woohoo! Strawberry. Ding ding. Look closer. Ding ding ding. Oh. It is right. They are not ice cream. It is like cheesecake sour cream. Wow. It's different tasting. So you're definitely eating the cheesecake sour cream ice cream. You're not gonna. It's kind of like sour, creamy at the same time, and cheese. It's very good. Now I'm gonna try the next one, cookie and cream. Wow, You don't have to go to Cheesecake Factory anymore. Just that's why they have all the brand that say Cheesecake Factory at home. It is true. Mmm. I remember I had a cookie and cream cheesecake, and similar to that, this is like the milk version, and then one cheesecake we had is not a milk version. It's very, very good. You're not tasting just the ice cream, but also cream cheese. And now the strawberry one. Whoa, it's very pinky. You can see a strawberry, the fruity meat itself by looking at it. Mmm. It's definitely more than ice cream level. If you do see all this, actually there's one more version, which is the I think it's a birthday cake, cheesecake ice cream. So right now I see there's a 4 versions at local supermarket, but if you do see it, give it a try because it's totally different taste than normal ice cream, because on top of it they add sour cream, so a little bit sour, feels like yogurt but it's not really a yogurt, and there's a cheese on it on top of the ice cream, so it tastes very good. So this is my stay at home Cheesecake Factory at home dinner for tonight. Okay, so now I scoop one of each flavor on my bowl, and if you look closely, the strawberry, FYI, every single piece of flavor, you have those like cheesecake crust on it. You see right here. The regular version, strawberry and cookie and cream, has it too. So I would say my favorite probably the original one, because you can taste the sour cream. I think the strawberry too strong enough that I could not taste the sour cream or cheesecake there. If you want to taste for a real cheesecake, go for a regular one and then try the rest. It's very awesome, good. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.